In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to gift games on Steam. If you've ever wanted to surprise a friend with a new game, or say thank you with a little digital entertainment, this guide will walk you through the steps to do just that on the Steam platform. First, you'll need to open your Steam client or visit the Steam website and head over to the Steam store. This is where you'll start your gifting adventure. Once you're in the store, use the search bar to find the game you want to give as a gift. You can type the name of the game directly into the search bar, and Steam will help you find it. After you've located the game, scroll down the page until you see the Add to Cart button. It's usually right below the game's promotional videos and images. Click on this button to add the game to your cart, just like you would if you were buying it for yourself. But wait, there's an important step here. Once the game is in your cart, you'll notice a drop-down menu that says For My Account. Click on this drop-down and select This is a Gift. This tells Steam that you intend to purchase the game for someone else. Next, you need to view your cart. You can find this option at the top right corner of the Steam page. Clicking on View Cart will take you to a page where you can review your purchase. Here, you'll see the game you selected, and you'll have the option to Continue to Gift Options. Click on this button to proceed. Once you've continued to the gift options, Steam will prompt you to select your gift recipient. This is where you can either type in the recipient's email address if they're not on your friends list, or simply select them from your list of Steam friends if they are. If you're sending the gift to someone not on Steam, make sure you have their email address handy. And that's it! You've successfully chosen a game, marked it as a gift, and selected your recipient. Steam will take care of the rest, sending the game to your friend with a personalized message if you choose to include one. It's a straightforward process that can bring a lot of joy to your fellow gamers. Remember, gifting a game on Steam is a great way to share experiences and make gaming even more social. Plus, it's an excellent way to show appreciation or celebrate special occasions. Thanks for following along, and happy gifting on Steam!